In every workplace, the unexpected can happen, and being prepared for common injuries and accidents is paramount. Today, we're going to explore the importance of workplace first aid in addressing these everyday challenges. Workplace first aid isn't just about emergencies, it's about everyday safety and well-being. Let's delve into the ways in which the workplace first aid can make a significant impact. Here are the key points to consider. Immediate response to common workplace injuries, minimize severity and complications through prompt care, creating a safer workplace culture, boosted employee morale and confidence, enhance overall safety and preparedness. Workplace first aid for common injuries is not just about knowledge, it's about creating a safer and more secure environment. It's about knowing that you can have the skills to respond effectively when accidents occur. Workplace first aid for common injuries and accidents is not just a course, it's a commitment to the well-being of your employees. Because in your workplace, safety and preparedness go hand in hand.